From calm seas to a moment that could have sparked a crisis. The USS Princeton's radar lit up with something no sailor ever expected. A fast, silvery shadow cutting across the South China Sea. Not a fishing boat, not a merchant ship. A Type 052D Chinese destroyer charging straight at the American warship like a warning. Stop or face the consequences. What began as a routine patrol turned into a tense standoff. The crew was ready, but what happened next shocked everyone. Every year, an eye-popping $3.4 trillion in global trade sails through the South China Sea, a lifeline connecting Asia, Europe, and the rest of the world. But this isn't just ships and containers drifting across the waves. It's the heartbeat of global wealth, flowing through waters where even the smallest spark of tension can ripple across markets and supply chains. Now, the USS Nimitz Carrier Strike Group, with the USS Princeton and its escorts, is cutting through these strategic waters not as an invading force, but as silent watchers guarding what the U.S. calls freedom of navigation. These aren't casual cruises. Every move is calculated, a bold statement that no single nation owns what international law declares open seas. On one side, Beijing is determined to carve these waters as its personal maritime empire, guided by the so-called Nine-Dash Line and defended with artificial islands and heavy weaponry. On the other side, Washington sees the sea as more than water and waves. It's a global stage for trade, stability, and rules that keep the world moving. But that morning over the South China Sea, calm was only a mask. Aboard the USS Princeton, dawn didn't break quietly. Radar screens flickered and officers leaned in. Locking onto them was a Type 052D Chinese destroyer speeding straight toward the ship. Not a tourist vessel, a warship, armed and daring, closing fast. Its YJ-18 anti-ship missiles could strike nearly 540 kilometers, enough to level a warship in minutes. The Princeton wasn't helpless. Its SM-6 missiles could hit targets far over the horizon, with some estimates reaching 460 kilometers. In closer proximity, SM-2 missiles' layered defenses cover up to 166 kilometers. Every system is ready, every decision is crucial. One mistake, one misfire, and the sea could erupt into fire and steel. Yet the captain did nothing. No alarms blared, no weapons fired. It was a test, an unspoken dare. How far would Beijing push? In that silent standoff, the U.S. revealed its most dangerous weapon: restraint. Calm, collected, and waiting. But what was hiding behind that quiet? Above, the skies were restless. E-2D Hawkeyes, America's eyes in the air, spotted Chinese J-15 fighters launching from the Shandong carrier. Below, sonar picked up a Type 039 submarine, surprisingly loud, a giant mistake for a vessel meant to be invisible. Air, sea, and underwater, the Chinese were showing their strength. But the closer you look, the more fragile it becomes. The J-15s were limited, designed to climb off ski jumps with less fuel and weapons. The submarine's noise made it an easy target for modern anti-submarine warfare. What should have been a display of power was starting to crumble under scrutiny. Was this a bluff or an accident? The U.S. wasn't about to find out the hard way. They let the Chinese reveal themselves first.
Detect, track, and classify contacts.
Then came the American response, quiet but devastating. From the USS Nimitz, Super Hornets launched with clockwork precision, one jet every 45 seconds, filling the sky with a force that didn't need fire to dominate. Alongside them, growlers scrambled, bending radar signals, creating illusions in the electromagnetic spectrum. On Chinese screens, 4 jets became 12, then disappeared, then flickered back. Operators were disoriented, confused, trapped in a digital hall of mirrors. Below, the Virginia-class nuclear submarine had been shadowing the Chinese task force for 8 days, unseen. Then, without warning, it surfaced, calm, deadly, and invisible until the very moment. For the Chinese crews, this was a nightmare they hadn't anticipated. The predator they thought hidden revealed itself in seconds, then vanished back into the depths. Every move by the U.S. was deliberate. No missiles fired, no explosions, just dominance by precision. The Chinese formation began faltering. Fighters ran low on fuel, radar systems struggled, and the submarine gave away its position. A display meant to intimidate now exposes vulnerabilities. Every layer of air, surface, and subsurface power began to unravel. If you're hooked on this standoff, hit the like button, subscribe, and join us. There are more secrets of naval warfare coming that you won't want to miss. By mid-morning, the message was clear. Control isn't about firing first. It's about control, discipline, and unseen advantages. Every system, from radar to radar jamming electronics, worked in harmony to dominate the battlefield without violence. The U.S. had turned perception into a weapon.
Tensions are rising in one of the most hotly contested regions on the planet, the South China Sea. From militarized artificial islands to fighter jets and warplanes.
And yet, the tension wasn't over. The South China Sea, calm on the surface, hid silent threats. What else had Beijing left unseen? Was this a rehearsal, a warning, or a prelude to conflict?
This is a close encounter with a Chinese warplane, filmed just off the wing of a U.S. Navy reconnaissance plane flying over the South China Sea.
Imagine being a Chinese commander, jets above, submarines below, and an enemy predicting every move. One mistake could be deadly. Power isn't always loud. It's the silent shadow, the unseen hand, the calm in the storm. Yet the ocean still hides secrets, and beneath the surface, the real stakes remain unknown. The sun hadn't even fully risen, yet the balance had shifted. The U.S. had proven that dominance isn't about who fires first. It's about who controls the mind and the battlefield without ever speaking a word. But was this a one-time display or a warning of bigger clashes to come? Beneath those waves and skies, secrets remain hidden, silent, waiting for the right moment. What would you do if you were in command, seeing enemy jets above and submarines below, knowing they might strike at any second? Stay with us, because the true story of what's lurking in these waters, the weapons, the strategies, and the secrets, is far from over. The silence of the ocean doesn't mean danger has passed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us to uncover every secret of modern warfare.